Okay, grade 7. We are doing lesson 3, chapter 7. And we are talking about triangles. Okay? So, what is a triangle? Let's start there. We should write what is a triangle. We should know the definition of a triangle. Okay? So, a triangle is a closed shape. Okay? It has the sides, its sides are straight. So because it is closed and the sides are straight, it is a polygon. It is a polygon with 3 sides. And because it has 3 sides, it has 3 interior angles. And all 3 interior angles should add up to 180 degrees. So if somebody asks you what is a triangle, you need to say all this. If the person say what are the features of a triangle, you need to say all this. Okay? Features. Now there are many triangles. There is not only one triangle. There's so many triangles you should know. Actually, there's 6 triangles. Now, let us look at the different types of triangles. The first one, an acute triangle. An acute triangle. All angles must be less than 90. The angles inside here should be less than 90. A right triangle, one angle must be 90 degrees. Make this 60. Okay, again, a right triangle, one angle must be 90 degrees. Either you will see the word right, or you will see the box, or you will see the number 90 degrees in the picture. If you see this, you know you need to put 90. If you see this, you know you need to use 90 degrees. Okay? In the obtuse triangle, one angle must be greater than 90, but less than 180. That is why it's called an obtuse triangle. That means there has to be an obtuse angle inside the triangle. Okay? Then, what is a scalene triangle? A scalene triangle, all angles are not the same. You see? The angles are all different. All the sides are not congruent. The numbers on the outside, this length is not the same as this length. So in the scalene, nothing is congruent. Nothing. All the numbers are different, whether it was on the sides or in the angles. You need to know how to pronounce the words correctly. You also need to remember. Okay? Now, we have said sometimes it can be a right triangle. So, if you have 90 and 2 different angles, then that triangle is right, but it's also a scalene triangle. Okay? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle has two congruent sides and two congruent angles. If two sides are the same, then two angles will be the same. Okay? So two sides are congruent, two angles are congruent. Sometimes it can be acute. Sometimes it can be right. Sometimes it can be obtuse. An isosceles triangle will never be scalene. It will never. Because you'll have two angles that are the same. And in scalene, we said all the angles are different. Equilateral triangle, all the angles are the same, all the sides are the same. The number here should be the same here, should be the same here. Can be 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 100, 100, 100, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Okay? All sides are congruent, which means the same. All interior angles must be 60. They cannot be any other number. They can only be 60. Okay? And 60 degrees. It is also an acute triangle because all the angles are less than 90 degrees. So, there you have it. Now, let us do some examples. Remember in the definition I said all interior angles should add up to 180. So we should write an equation. The sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Or if I add all the three angles in the triangle, I should get 180 degrees. So how do I write that? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C should give me 180. Angle A is Y, angle B is Z, angle C is X. If I add these three angles, I should get 180. Now let's see how that looks in examples. So find the value of X. I already see the box. I will write 90 degrees. So I will write my equation. X plus 90 plus 30 should equal 180 degrees. I should draw my bridge. 90 plus 30 is 120, which equals 180 degrees, minus 120, minus 120, X equals 60 degrees. And I put here 60 degrees. And then I check. 60 plus 90 plus 30. 60 plus 90 is 150. 150 plus 30 is 180 degrees. And I am correct. Let's do this one. Find the measure of angle P and Q. I will write here N and N. How do I know? Because it is isosceles. Because I saw these two marks, then these two angles have to be the same. Then I will write my equation. N plus 42 equals 180 degrees. 2n plus 42 equals 180 degrees. I minus 42 on both sides. Two n equals 180 minus 42. 138. Then I divide by 2. I divide by 2. n equals 138 divide 269. So n equals 69 degrees. So this is 69 degrees, 69 degrees. And then you check. 42 plus 69 plus 69. 42 plus 69 plus 69. 180. And that is how you know you are correct. Don't forget the degrees. Okay? Let's do this one. Find the measure of angle M. So you write your equation. Angle M plus angle L plus angle N equal 180 degrees. So I don't know, I will leave this. Angle M plus 127 plus 24 equal 180 degrees. $151. Angle M plus 151 degrees equals 180 degrees. Subtract 151. 151. Angle M equals 29 degrees. Box your answer, put it back in your picture, check your work. I will check over here. 29 plus 127 plus 24 should give me 180. So let's see. 29 plus 127 plus 24, 180. And I know I am correct. All right, let's do this. I see these three lines, I use the same variable. A. I chose A. You can choose whatever letter you want to choose. So I will write plus A degrees plus A degrees plus A degrees should give me 180 degrees. 3A, A plus A plus A is 3A, equal 180 degrees. Divide by 3, divide by 3. A equals 60 degrees. So 60, 60, 60. And then I check 60 plus 60 plus 60. $180, and I know I am correct. All right, last example. In triangle EFG, measure of angle E is 75, 49 for F, and we don't know G because they told us to find it. So what do I write? Angle G plus angle E plus angle F equals 180 degrees. Angle G, I don't know, so I will leave it like that. Angle E, I know it is 75 degrees. Angle F, I know is 49 degrees. Should give me 180 degrees. 75 plus 49. 124. Angle G plus 124 equals 180 degrees. Minus 124 minus 124. Angle G equals 56 degrees. Then check 56 plus 75 plus 49. Equals 180, and I know I am correct. So this is my answer. Box your answer. Okay? So that's what this lesson is about. You should know when you look at a triangle, whether it is right, whether it is isosceles, whether it is equilateral, scalene, or acute, or obtuse. You should know the angles inside your triangle should always add up to 180 degrees. Okay? Bye.